Oh my god, guys, look at my FC point. Hello there people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited FC points for FC Mobile absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings, and then you will find your user ID. Just press copy. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it. Okay, just a second. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our FC points. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for FC Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. So let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I am not a robot to verify yourself. And now, guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Helium Mobile. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's wait together and let's see what will happen. We're still redirecting, guys. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Your FC points are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my FC points. It's actually generating this hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.